Hi guys, this is a quick room tour of C609 on P&O Azura. Welcome to our room.
Ooh.
Lights up.
Okay.
You'll have to excuse
The stuff.
a few bits and bobs because
Yeah.
we should have done this the day we checked in, but yep, this is James. Say hi.
Hello.
This is, you get a nice decent wardrobe area to put your cases, shoes, plenty of space for clothes with loads of hangers. Got your life jackets up there. Then we've got plenty of shelving space and there's a safe to put all your valuables in.
Where is it?
Okay. And then we have the bathroom, which is it's quite small, but it's got everything you sort of need in here. Shower gels and shampoo by the White Company. So they've all been topped up today. Little sink. Yep.
Where's the green bag?
It's in there.
Can't find it.
Okay, and then through here, this is a balcony room, standard balcony. There's a balcony deluxe, which has like a sofa area, but ours is just the standard balcony. We've opted for like twin beds, but you can have them made up as a large double. Father and son in this room, and we've got mum and sister in the room next door. So plenty of space for us too. And you've got a little tea making area and a little mini bar fridge. Keep our bottles of water in. And we've got, oh yeah, one thing I'd recommend is if you stay on this ship, to bring a 4-gang adapter, because there's not many plug sockets for
there's only 2 plug
all the things you might need to charge.
Yes.
So, one thing to note on the telly, there's loads and loads of films, isn't there, James? For
like a film last night.
For adults and children, there's absolutely tons of stuff for them to watch while we're getting ready. So this is our balcony. So we're on sea deck. So we've actually got like a double depth balcony. Loungers, table and footstools. You see the floors above us, their balcony is like sort of half the depth. So we've got plenty of space. And then I think the decks below are maybe the balcony deluxe or the suites. I think balcony deluxe. So they have a bigger balcony again.
Okay guys, I'll have to go now.
We're just in Lanzarote, getting towards the end of our Canaries tour, unfortunately. We go home on Saturday, don't we, James?
Yeah.
Yeah, like I said, mum and sister are next door, so we've actually had the sort of dividing door opened up. As you can see, it's normally like closed. But yep, so that is it. That's our little tour of our room. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, if you want to see any other videos of walk around the ships and everything, hit the subscribe button and have a look at our other videos. Would be much appreciated. Thank you. Bye.